Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to hang patio cafe string lights with no tools? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to show you a simple and easy video of how to hang these string lights on a patio with no tools in about 15 minutes or so. If you like this video, we have a bunch of outdoor living centered how-to videos with outdoor kitchens and misters and all sorts of stuff, barbecuing. Go to the bottom right and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate the subscribers. Also, any likes, comments, or questions you got, put them in the comment box. So again, thank you very much while you go down there and hit subscribe. Okay, back to business. So what we're doing is we're hanging these string lights. If you want to do the normal cafe lights, which are the bigger bulb with the big black wire like you might see in certain places, we did hang some similar ones that were solar in a different video on our Toyo Grid pergola. You can check that out. But this is not those big, heavy cafe lights. These are simple string lights, which lets them be hung a little easier, a little less hardware, no nail screws, nothing like that. We're gonna hang them just using some command hooks. These are just simple command hooks. You can pretty much do them wherever you want. You could do this differently. You could use hammer, nails, staples, but that's not what this video is about. Maybe you're renting, maybe you just don't want to do any damage. This is a good way to do it. So pick up whichever string lights you want, whatever color you want. This one's about 39 feet long, and you're gonna figure out where you want to start and end it, if you're gonna run them in sequence or not, and kind of start to make a plan. Our patio here has several obstructions. There are 2 ceiling fans, as well as 3 skylights, and we've got to kind of make sure that we don't have anything get hit by the fan when it's spinning around, because if that grab our lights and spun, that'll be terrible. So we're going to get started in this corner, and we're actually going to work our way back to the beginning. Stay tuned and check out how we get started. We are starting in the corner at the very end, and we're going to take our command hook with the sticker on it, and we're just going to work it up into the corner. We're going to make sure that the hook faces inward so that the lights attach to it. So we stuck it up there, and then we're going to take the end of our light strand and we're going to hook it onto here. And you can go either between the strands or over it, just like so. So that's number 1. So figure out how much sag you want and that you're clear of any obstructions. You put up another command hook, and then you go ahead and keep on working through. So we're staying at least a good 6 to 12 inches from the fan. We'll put up another one, and now we're just trying to wrap it all up. Stay tuned. All right, well, we got all the string lights hung up. These particular lights did not run in sequence, so we had to power them up behind here. But we went ahead and installed a little outlet switch on it, just where it plugs in. So now we get nice, easy light. What's great about these lights is how they look in the darkness, like this. Looks really nice at night. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy how-to video, just some tips and tricks on hanging up these cafe lights with no tools. Again, if you like the video, please give me that thumbs up, hit that bell, subscribe, all that good stuff. And remember, with all these projects, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.